Hi everyone, today Heidi has been sent this brand new toy from Zaf Creation, Baby Annabelle Learns to Walk. So it's a 3-in-1 doll, can learn to walk, can learn to crawl, and I'm not really sure what that is on the bottom. Yeah?
I don't know.
Anyway, let's take her out of the box. Do you want Mummy to help? Wow, she looks super cute. Sorted. So do you want to turn her around, Heidi? Super cute. Oh, she's awake. She's got lovely eyes. Oh, look, you can close her eyes. That's cute. And she's got a lovely outfit on, hasn't she?
Yep.
And you can hold her hand. Oh, look, she can crawl. She can bend down. Do you want to put her in a little crawl position?
Yep.
So basically you've got to try and learn this dolly, this little baby Annabelle, how to crawl. You can get her up on her knees, look. Do you think you can do that, Heidi?
She needs batteries.
Yes. So, we'll do a full review on the blog soon, but for now we just thought we'd show you this brand new baby Annabelle. It's very cute.